Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here Facebook cover banner PSD template, but these are protected first unit subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com, just one time payment for lifetime subscription, and here my new store for developer and graphic designer. Okay, style 1, total 10 folder here. Style 1 JPG and PSD. For Photoshop you can customize. Cover, next, with different color blue, green, red. Same thing here with three different color. Style 5, same thing, yellow, green, red and blue. Here four different color. And style 7, four different color. Same thing here, these are PSD, you can customize in Adobe Photoshop. Put your photo or design here, like a 3D design. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.